Hi, my name is Uğur Kılıcı. I am the founder of notionplus.dev. How to add a quotes widget in the Notion? Watch me. We go to the notionplus.dev and sign in. Then we go to the dashboard. Add the widgets. Click on the quote widget. The quotes widget is a text widget. You create it using NotionPlus custom markdowns in the text widget. This creates limitless design combinations. In the first line, we write a code in parentheses. Each subsequent line will become a code. A random one will appear every time the page is refreshed. Finish it. Successful. Widget preview. 2 sentences. Refresh. 1 sentence. Refresh. 2 sentences. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Click on the advanced. My code widgets and font size 25. Update, embed text, refresh. Nice. Refresh. 1 sentence. Okay. And extra, let's make the background light pink. Light pink color hex code. Notion Plus markdowns, background color. Select, copy, paste it on the bottom line, not top line, bottom line. Are you okay? Black, not black. Pink hex color, copy, paste. Update, refresh. Oh, nice, beautiful. Okay, let's change the font too. Click on the advanced, scroll, text font, font name, Roboto. Let's go to the Google Fonts. Choose more fonts. Click on filters. Scroll. Classification, handwriting. I will choose a font. Scroll. Yes, Pacifico. What's the name of the font? Pacifico. Text font name, Pacifico. And update. Embed refresh. Oh, nice. It's perfect. 4 sentence. 5 sentence. 6 sentence. Blah, 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 blah. Are you okay? The potential is limitless. Sign up to Notion Plus now and use the infinite potential to the fullest. See you in another video. I am Uğur Kılıcı.